Song's called Fire and Rain, James Taylor. I hope you like this version of it. Yesterday morning, you let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made, put an end to you. Walked out this morning, I wrote down the song. Just can't seem to remember who the Sunday to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You got to help me make a stand. You've got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is time. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you again. Walking my mind to an easy time, back turned towards the sun. Lord, when the cold wind blows, it will turn your head around. There'll be hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you, baby, just one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain.